So this diner that we're standing in right now is an original 1937 Sterling diner car. Most of the parts in this place are cleaned up original pieces. I'm Chef Matthew Krauza of the Swan Street Diner, and this here is our biscuits and gravy. Yeah, this is one of our most popular hot biscuits, and just the gravy from scratch makes it so much better than the stuff you get out of a can. It's a little thicker, there's a lot more sage in it and garlic, which is awesome. It makes it a lot more memorable when you take a bite because of all the flavor in there. Welcome to Diggin' Buffalo, brought to you by Milk for Health. We start out every day, we make our own dough from scratch. From our sausage gravy to our corned beef, all our sauces are made from scratch, all our soups are made from scratch. We like to make sure that they're just touching. The steam from each other helps cook them and helps make them extra fluffy and soft. Go in the oven for about 20 minutes. So next, we'll take our ground pork, fresh ground this morning. Started in the front of house, then went to food trucks, started working in the back of house, and once I got back there, it just felt like home. We use whole milk here. I only use whole milk. It's all I like to drink and eat. So our sausage gravy is done. It's nice and thick now. So we can cook our over easy eggs. I feel like it does add to the dish a lot. When you go to flip an egg, like, don't be afraid to slide under it hard, because if you try to go soft, you'll end up breaking the yolk almost every time. You can't be scared of the eggs. You gotta show them who's boss. All right, let's check on our biscuits. Those are done. The outside's still crispy, so you still have that crunch to it. The biscuit kind of melds right in with the gravy together. And then we throw a little microgreen on top. It's like the salad to start it off. And that's our biscuit and gravy.